In this video, you will learn how to use the online search option of the EndNote for the searching of the data from the different databases. Uh, and for the search from the different databases, your university or the institution must have subscribed to those databases. For example, here first I am selecting the online search option, and then I am selecting the format here. Then I am selecting the choose option, and here my EndNote library is connected with the online search mode, and then and is connected with the format. And now I want to search I'm interested in the Newcastle disease virus. And if I want to search the Newcastle disease virus, then I can limitize it. First, I'm interested to search Newcastle disease virus from the titles. I only want to search the articles which have Newcastle disease virus name in their titles. So then, secondly, I'm interested to search the data only from the 2023, and for that I will click on it. I and then you can see that there are uh, 67 articles present in the PubMed about the Newcastle disease virus. I'm selecting OK. After selection, you can see now the data will be or the references will be downloaded in the online search mode of option of the EndNote, and all these references will disappear if I close the library without copying these references from this online search option to the local library. And here you can see the 67 references are present now in the online search mode. I have selected all, I'm selecting all the references, then using the cut option, I am copying it, cutting it, and then pasting it to my local library. Here is the local library. I have copied or cut the references from this option, and then I have moved to the local library mode and pasted it here. Now, this is, I think, the easiest way to search the data using the online search option, and we can save a lot of time by using it. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, you can mention in the comments. I will try to answer that. Thank you.